got so much to say. Never thought it would end this way.
Hey, and welcome. My name is Kelly. I have 3 beautiful daughters, ages 7, 14, and 15. I am a librarian, and my husband is a deputy sheriff. I have quite a few cleaning videos across my channel. I had actually started cleaning my kitchen last night, but could not settle into any of the decor I had out. It has been a busy and stressful year, so the last thing I want to do is overwhelm myself and home with too much clutter. I really love keeping decor contained on trays for this reason. So the kitten that you just saw, that's Mittens. She's our ragdoll kitten. We just got her this summer. She's super playful and determined. Simon is our little guy. So I'm over here cooking a semi-decent lunch, and here my daughters are getting snacks. This can't just be a thing at my house, right?
You got so much to say, but you're crying like yesterday. Trying to read your eyes while we're kissing in the rain. Oh, look me in my eyes. Never thought they could tell you lies. I know they didn't. It keeps messing with my head. That's why you left. Indispensable pain in your chest. Leave us for the best, or you would break. That is why you left without a text. I miss you, babe. Forgiving everything that we said when we were drunk. It doesn't matter 'cause it all came from. Can't be too late. Been missing everything that we had. I miss you, babe.
I just put this bread box out. I've been using it as my top secret hiding spot while my bread is placed elsewhere.
Need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking of the wasting time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking about the way you, the way you make me grounded. Thinking about the way you, the way you used to hold me. Like a sword in the water, singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for ya. Forget what I said, just come on over. Oh, forget what I said, just come on over. Oh, forget what I said, just come on over. Wait a second, I don't need you. Then why so settled? I miswithdrew. Still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your head. Maybe stare too much cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't understand. You got me gone. But sometimes I might be a bit selfish when you're way too humble. Might be overzealous, getting you in trouble. Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. Or just the best you've ever had. Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster. When I'm with you, I feel different, like I'm brand new. Less ignoring, still it feels just like I'm waiting for something better. Wait a second, I wanna stay up late with my heart in your hand. Maybe stare too much cause you don't understand. You got me gone. You don't understand. You got me gone. But sometimes I might be a bit
I totally understand that it is just a bit early to be decorating for the fall, but I am all about it. I've thrown on one of my favorite sweaters, lit my pumpkin candles, and sipped my hot coffee on the porch. We had such a beautiful rain shower the other night with just a slight rumble of thunder. I sat out on the porch with my daughters and reminded myself just how blessed I truly am. Regardless of the stresses around you right now, I invite you to find a moment of comfort. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my channel. I wish you and your loved ones well. Thank you.
Or just the best you've ever had. Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. Hey, used to never do what's best for me. I was such a hopeless fool. I just kept making the same mistake.